Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In the previous video, we saw how to create a microcontroller library with symbol and footprint. So in this video, we are going to see how to create a microcontroller library with whole package. So for that, first go to the new design and select electronics library. Here first you have to create a symbol. For that, go to new symbol, just enter LM741 new one. So in the previous video we create the name with LM741 underscore new. So I am creating this microcontroller library with this name. Just OK. Then you have to create a symbol. So it's just a symbol, so you can create whatever you want. So I am creating like previous video. Get the pins here. So then name the pins. So this is the data sheet of the microcontroller. So first offset null, then inverting minus, non-inverting plus, V minus mean ground, and offset null, output VCC and NC. According to that, we have to name the pins. For that, select this name button and click the pins. So then save it. Save is with the same name. Then you have to go to the package button, new package. So this is the package. So click this. So here different kind of components are available here. So according to our design, so this is the type microcontroller, so through hole microcontroller. Then you have to select that one. Here this one is the deep microcontroller, so select this. Then you have to configure the dimensions and the pins here. So I have 8 pins, so reduce to 8. Then you have to change the dimensions according to the data sheet. Here you can check the dimension E. This should be in millimeters. So check the in bracket dimension. So this one is in millimeters, 2.54. So after configure the dimension, you have to add the component. If you add the component, it will automatically generate the footprint and the 3D package. So select add button. Then you have to save it. Just press Ctrl S. Ctrl S. Then save it as in the same name. Then click this finish button. After finishing the package, you have to create a new component. So go to new component, then enter the same name. So here you can add the symbol. This is the symbol. Then you have to add the package. So this one is our package. So click OK. The pin number should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 according to that pin number change. So according to the pin number, you have to connect the pins. So here go to connect. Number 1 is ON1. So for that, select ON1, connect. Number 2 negative. Number 3 positive. Number 4 ground. Number 5 ON2. Number 6 output. 7 VCC. Number 8 ends. So then click OK. So here it will automatically generate the microcontroller library. So go to schematic, and before that you have to save the component. That Ctrl S. So here it saved the component. So go to schematic sketch. Here you can see the new component. So this is the way you can create the whole package of the microcontroller library. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.